Now we will talk about lambda function or lambda operator. So lambda function, we will write a lambda function to check a number is even or odd. We can do it by using for loop too, but we will use here lambda function. Write a lambda function to check a number is even. So it's a unique way to define a function. A single line using a lambda operator, we will define our function. This is very similar to list comprehension in a single line. At the place of big for loop and take values, we just use lambda function. Let's write a lambda function which takes the parameter and return the number is even or odd. So we are using f has value lambda x and x is even if x divided by 2 or remainder is equal to 0. Else odd. So even if you write a single line lambda function with a simple if-else statement in place of long for loop. Since lambda function is not a name, it is also called anonymous function. This function can be stored in variable in the form of function object. So in this example, we are storing the function in a variable f. It's a function where in the variable f it is stored. So if I will talk about f10 even, but if I talk about f5, in similar way we can check multiple uh, values. So it's very simple. In place of if loop, f is equal to lambda x even if this is the value else or. So you can understand it's a very simple like list comprehension. So here we have a callable objects which has become a function where you can pass a variable, a parameter and get the output. So this is how lambda function all about. You can write a program by using lambda function for different conditions. And please like and subscribe in my channel if you have not done yet. I hope you got the point all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.